Hi, it's Anne from Craft Drawer, and I wanted to share with you today the family recipe book that is available on Amazon through the link below. I wanted to go over a review with you and share the pages that you can fill out to share your recipes with family members or write down your old recipes, family member recipes, friends' recipes, or new recipes that you have created. The family recipe book is a place to share all of your cooking information and recipes in one spot and to organize your recipes. Again, it's available on Amazon through the link below, and you can keep track of several recipes all in one spot with this book currently available. The review goes over quite a few things, so let's get started with the review. Hi everybody. Today I wanted to share with you the family recipe book, which is currently available on Amazon.com. You can click through our link below to get more information about the book and learn what it's all about. Just want to share an overview of the book with you today. The family recipe book was created as a keepsake book to write down your family recipes, get yourself organized, save your family homemade recipes that you may have written all over the place. You can write them down in this book, and you can share new recipes, write down your ideas for recipes as you go to share with family members or just to keep track of them yourselves. And you can save your favorite homemade recipes, dinners, desserts, and treasures from the past. So let's say you have a bunch of recipes thrown in your drawer from the past, from grandparents or your parents or friends, or the ones that you share with each other or that you just wrote down and have them stuffed in a folder or a binder or something. You can take this book and write them all down and get them organized. So the family recipe book is a way to get yourself ready to cook or bake and choose your favorite recipes. Once you have them written down in that book, you can go back to them time and time again and find them fairly easily and quickly. This way you'll never lose another recipe again. So it's an inspiring way to write down all your family favorites. You can keep them in one place. The family recipe book includes the table of contents to list your favorite recipes, so you can write down everything at the beginning of the book so that you can find it easily when you're looking through the book after you've written down your recipes. Then you can have a area for your recipes to write down the cook time, your notes, directions, ingredients, and step-by-step instructions. There's over 130 pages that are just waiting to be filled up with recipes, so the book is large enough for several recipes to keep track of. And it makes a great gift idea too for others if you want to add recipes to it and give it to family members or friends, or if you want to give it to them as a blank book so that they can get organized and start putting their recipes in the book. It's a fun design. This is a blank write-in recipe planner book. It's easy to write in, and it's a great addition to your cooking book collection. Excuse me. It's a helpful tool for keeping new and old recipes in one place and in a highly organized manner. There is an extra space to add personal notes, insights, tips, and help you create new tasteful dishes for recipes and things. Write down your family recipes, keep them for the future, pass them down to the kids and other family members. Keep track of your recipes, add notes, additional information, or keep a space for writing down ideas to come up with new recipes. Place your family favorite recipes in this cookbook and give it to keep it for yourself to keep organized, or like I said before, give it as a gift. Again, you can click through the link below to go right to Amazon to take a look at the book. So what it starts out with has a table of contents where you can write in your recipes. Then well, the table of contents is for writing down where you are keeping the recipe in the book, so you can go to that page and say you have a recipe for meatloaf. That's on page 10. Then you can go to page 10 and find the recipe right away. Then there's a recipe title page where you can add your ingredients, how many people it serves, who was original author of the recipe, and how long it takes to cook, any directions or notes or instructions that you need. There's also a area for cooking notes that you can add additional information for your recipes, and then also a blank area to maybe attach a picture or a recipe card, and maybe give it a review if it's one of your favorites, or you want to maybe make adjustments to it in the future, or just maybe say the date it was originally created, or maybe even share a story about the first time you made the recipe or who you made it with. There's lots of ways to get creative with this book. There's several pages to write down and keep track of recipes the way that you want to. There's several examples on these pages that I'm sharing with you right now, so you can kind of get an idea of how you would like to use the book. Again, like I said, you can write down, take old recipes that are already written down and transfer them into this book by writing them down and keeping track of them. Or you can just start it as a new recipe book that you're starting to create your own recipes with. And you can keep them in different sections. You can create your own sections for baking, meal planning, everyday recipes, quick recipes, weekend recipes. Another example would be maybe keeping a section for just everyday meals, or so however you want to organize your table of contents, there's a way to do that with this book and just get a little more creative and using it. So if you want to take a look at all the pages, I've shared them as a preview on this video and kind of give you an idea of what you can do with the book. If you have any questions, leave me a comment below and I'll be happy to answer anything that I can about the family recipe book. So I'll share some links to some other planners and that we have created and that can be helpful for all everyday planning, from crafts to meal planning to gardening and other things. So I'll share some of those links below too that can be helpful for people that like to keep journals or planners for their everyday things that they like to do, hobbies and everyday useful things, tips, and just writing things down. We have quite a few in our selection, so, and you can choose from those. Again, I'm going to share the link below for this family recipe planner, and let me know if you have any questions. Like I said before, please subscribe to our channel for more helpful tools, instructions, guides, and DIY. And if you want to give this a thumbs up or like, that would be great too. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoy the family recipe book and make a lot of happy family memories with it. Thanks again for watching and have a great day.